releasing the water, and it looks a lot more crazier than I thought it was going to be. So I'd say we got a pretty interesting trip ahead of us. As far as like 30 degrees. It's pretty fucking cold. Especially getting into those big rocks. There's only one way out now, just going through the whole fucking thing. Try to get out to the middle as best you can. Seriously, you gotta be careful, sweet. This shit's gonna get real intense. Yeah, on your fucking A game. Yeah. I think we saw the otters a little ways down here. I'm pretty sure this is like the deepest part though right here. There's some parts throughout the thing that are a little deep. Oh hell yeah, clearly. We're literally at no risk of getting fucked up. Just, you know, if you do turn over, kind of guard your face or some shit. The water ain't moving fast enough to really fuck you up. Exactly. Come back and just get a video of you in this actual awesome fucking water. Man, I should have hit those fucking waves back there. Look at that tree branch right there, too. Yeah, that's what I try to say. Stay more towards the middle, because these trees are leaning over. Main key thing is, no matter what you do, sweet, just try to look. If you have to, look like this, like counter steer, but just keep yourself straight the whole time. Best you can. Try not to get sideways. This shit's going. This shit's pretty fucking deep. Yeah, right back there, the fishes are laying down. This is fucking sweet. We should start hitting this a lot more. With the water up like this, this will get us ready for bigger, fucking crazier rivers and shit. It's taking baby footsteps into the base. Put your hands wet. Now, if you ever, if you are gonna turn your head, like if you do get flipped over, take a deep breath before you hit the water, or if you know you can't take one, hold your fucking breath, because the water is so cold it'll make you gasp with air, and that's how most people drown. It's because of the water is so cold, it's like immediate shock to your body. When your first reaction is to go, it's so cold. Oh, yeah, we can take breaks and shit. But all I'm saying is just, put your hands in the water to get a kind of an idea of what. This is making my hands tighten up. It's so cold. Oh my fucking god. You do turn over, it's gonna wake your ass up. Cause this shit is easily like, oh my god, look at that. That's over my paddle, right here. That's about head height. In your grill, if you have to make a quick decision. Hey, up here, remember, go left, go hard left, because that water's rushing to the right and there's trees and shit there. It's like 2. Gotta be. It was like 150 before we left the driveway. Go to the left, seriously, far left. Because that shit leads you straight into fucking trees on the right. Like, try and get to the bank left. Yank your ass. Going left? Keep going left. That shit will pull you right. I'm telling you. You don't get pushed into shit. I know we're not gonna have to walk any. Probably like class 2 or 3. Remember, keep staying left, stay upstream of this shit. I remember like through here, like more towards down the river, like we were flying on that shallow water. I was trying to think what's gonna be like with this shit. Oh yeah. Yeah. I know. So I was saying, seriously fucking be careful. I'm just a tad nervous because this is fucking fairly goddamn deep.
Yeah, that's like 30. Well, probably like 20.
Deep? Hell no, this is probably easily 15 feet deep though. Look, my paddle doesn't even touch. My paddle is at least 2 feet higher than me, and that's an easy 6 or 7 feet deep. My paddle didn't touch then, so this is probably every bit of 10 or 11 feet deep right here. Oh, great, and I have my wallet on me. We have to pull over, and I don't know where the fuck to go for that. I don't know if we can. I'm just gonna fucking wait and find a good spot. I'll let you know when we should. I'm not worried about it. I ain't gotta get turned over. Yeah, no, we got a lot of really important shit in here. In fact, I got papers saying that I'm allowed on AEP sites that if they get wet, they're fucked. So, I'll figure it out. Yep, Oscar right there. Heading straight for us. So my camera viewers can see. Oh no, that's a fucking. He's looking at his little lunch. God damn, this water's chop fish. Maybe someone do this shit like fast as fuck. They got some little holes.
I don't think it's a continuous generation. I think they go and do those buzzers and release it, and then the bugs get everywhere.
Because I know it was like firing out of those little holes,
Yeah.
but it wasn't doing that one down there, so it should be good for a little bit.
It's definitely been going.
It's definitely deep as fuck right here. God damn it. This
That's
water
like
feels-
different ways doing like big.
Oh yeah. That's what Philip was like on my birthday out to the island. It was like that the whole way. I was like, God damn. That's why I got a little nervous. It's like,
Just from rocks hitting each other.
oh, those waves? Yeah, those are from big ass rocks below it. Look at that shit. Trigger got broken down or something. I know it's gonna get crazy when we get in those mazes of rocks.
Yeah.
You're gonna have to really be thinking. And if you can't make a turn, make sure it hits your ass right here, back here, so it shoots you forward, versus hitting the front and you turning around backwards. God damn, it's deep as fuck right here. I know this part was deep as shit when we went through it last time. And this shit, my Padawan's just fine. God, if it was raining, I would be fucking terrified. I'm shitting me. This water is just fucking nuts. Yeah, I hope I don't turn over, 'cause I'll probably be signing out for my fucking game GoPro. Because I feel like really slammed a fucking rock. I should have brought goggles with this. If I did lose, I could at least go in the water and see where the fuck it's going. Yeah, if we can. Oh, those kids are swimming right fucking there. Oh my god, my hands are fucking freezing in this water. I swear my skin went completely numb just holding in there for that 5 fucking seconds. I don't know if I want to really fit in there. My phone. Here, go left, because I'm about to get pushed into the street. Need you to go left, Steve. Those rocks look awesome. Rocks are fucking huge. Hey, do this so you get used to the feeling of start feeling how comfortable you are. Huh? Alright. I don't know if we can. It's too steep. No. You can fucking see you can. It's gonna be deep as shit. Like a bitch to get up on there. Yeah, there's rocks right around this corner over here. And don't go behind the island. It's gonna be to the left of those rocks. Go to the right of them. Dang, Santa for that reason. You can't get up right there, sweet. Go to. Hey, go over here to the rocks. Watch out for snakes and shit. Yeah, up there it's gonna be. From what dry box? Should get back to booty over here. I don't know. Just get it back there. gotta start thinking quick.